Viking Yachts, providing excellence since 1964.
April 1, 1964, April Fool's Day. We took over out of bankruptcy Peterson Viking. We changed the name to Viking Yachts rather than Peterson.
My father and uncle started the company back in 1964. I came to work with my father starting in the late 60s on Saturdays.
The Viking Yacht Company, located on the scenic Bass River near Atlantic City, New Jersey, has been building luxurious sport fishing yachts with one purpose in mind: to dominate the marketplace with seagoing excellence. Viking is family-owned and privately run.
See, around here in a family business, titles aren't much. They're not viewed as, you all chip in and we all do it.
Viking has built more than 4,000 yachts and currently produces a fleet ranging from 42 to 92 feet.
We have a tremendous group of people, and that's what makes a difference. That group of people, they are the key to the whole organization, if you will.
Viking is a vertically integrated company. About 90% of what goes into the boat is produced at the Viking facility, which has 810,000 square feet of manufacturing space. We also have our own electronics company and tuna tower manufacturer, which allows us to deliver a turnkey ready yacht. Every new Viking yacht model begins with a clean sheet of paper. The design and sales departments, working with criteria developed through research with our dealer network, existing owners and tournament fishermen, along with valuable input collected from our Viking demonstrator programs, provide a unique foundation leading to the creation of a new model. Using CAD/CAM programs, our design team is then able to produce a collection of three-dimensional renderings showing exterior and interior plans. These are then passed along to our engineering group to ensure the design and performance parameters are met or exceeded. Viking's highly automated facility utilizes a pair of computer-operated profiling milling machines. The profiler carves huge blocks of foam into shapes that then become the plugs from which complex molds are made. The profilers cut with surgical precision and handle intricate parts with ease and perfection. With the profiler shaping complex parts like deckhouse assemblies, open and enclosed bridges, skilled shipwrights and research and development assemble parts of the hull to create a wooden plug, which will then be used to build a fiberglass mold. While the shipwrights are focused on developing new parts, other departments are busy creating the interior of the yachts. In the 26,500 square foot metal shop, Viking engine beds, various hardware and metal components are fabricated. Spiral staircases for enclosed bridge convertibles and bow rails are produced using either a high-polished anodized surface or a power-coated finish for aesthetics and durability. In our fiberglass shops, custom-made fuel, water, and waste tanks are crafted with our resin infusion process. All tank bases mirror the shape of the hull bottom, maximizing capacity and draw. Deck assemblies, salon floors, hardtops, helm consoles, and flying bridges demonstrate the talents of our skilled craftsmen. Hulls are infused or hand-laid in the main production building and enter the line after leaving the mold. In the mill, multiple computer-operated routers carve wood for structural components, as well as interior cabinetry, furniture, and joinery. Besides the automation, there is no shortage of hand finishing, which helps us achieve our gleaming, rich interiors. Each Viking is built to order, so our electrical department creates a unique wiring harness for every yacht. This yacht, for example, has over 2,400 pounds of wiring to operate several hundred onboard systems. Multiple production lines provide the capacity to build up to 100 boats a year. After the hull is pulled from the mold, it is placed in a cradle at the start of the production line. The cradle supports the boat until it is launched. All of the stringers and bulkheads are encapsulated in fiberglass and bonded to the interior of the hull, followed by the egg crating, which provides additional strength and internal structure. Outside the hull, the bottom is prepped, primed, and painted. Wiring from the electrical department for standard and optional equipment is installed along with the engines, generator, struts, and running gear. The galley, heads, and stateroom modules from the mill are delivered to the production line and installed, followed by the deckhouse, flying bridge, and hardtop. From this point, things move quickly. Lights, outlets, and entertainment systems are powered up. The salon door and bow rail are installed. The final stage on the line is cosmetic. Cabin and locker rooms are installed, carpet is laid, and the flying bridge enclosure is added. Interior goods and window treatments are delivered, and finally the yacht is moved outdoors and to the water for its initial startup. At the make-ready dock, a team of technicians and quality control personnel test the various systems throughout the yacht and inspect fit and finish. Each Viking yacht is then turned over to the engineering department, who conduct exhaustive testing and performance sea trials, recording all of the data and results into the yacht's personal files.
Viking Yachts' superiority is in the design of the boat, the styling of the boat, the ride of the boat, the interior fit and finish of the boat, the engine room, the handling characteristics. We feel that what we do is we put the total package together. We build the complete boat.
When the yacht is delivered to the owner, it exceeds his expectations and delivers Viking's mantra, to build a better boat every day.
This group of people put this great product together, and they're getting to know it. We have customers that we've had one that's 10 or 11 boats, we've had 6 boats, and they tend to be very proud of the fact that they spent $3, $4, $5 million and they got a good product. And then our customers are always, I don't say bragging, but they're delighted with the fact that it is quite a product for all the money they've spent.
People work very hard in their own professions, and the escape of getting on a boat and going out and catching some fish and just relaxing and going to different islands and doing is a great thing. It's an excellent sport to become involved in, and relaxation. And I do believe that we're positioned as the #1 boat builder in the world, and the group is in place to perpetuate that in the future. And our commitment is that we like the view from the top of the mountain, and we're not going to give it up.